In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename Microsoft Planner. If you need to update the name of a plan so it's easier to recognize, more current, or better organized for your team. The process is very simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change in just a moment. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and go to the specific plan board that you want to rename. Make sure you're inside the correct plan before making any changes, especially if you manage several boards at once. This helps avoid accidentally editing the wrong one. Once you're on the plan board, look toward the top area of the screen near the current plan name. You'll see a three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots to open additional settings for the plan. This menu is where Planner keeps several actions related to the board, so if you don't immediately see what you need on the main screen, this is the right place to check. After the menu opens, click on Plan Details. This will bring up the section where you can view and edit basic information about the plan. If you're following along in real time, take a second to confirm that the title field you're seeing matches the plan you intended to rename. Next, click into the plan name field, type the new name you want to use, and then press Enter on your keyboard to save it. That's all it takes to rename the plan. Keep the new name clear and descriptive, so it's easy for you and anyone else on the team to identify it later. For example, using a name that reflects the project, department, or time period can make your planner workspace much easier to navigate. If the updated name doesn't appear instantly, give it a moment and let the page refresh. In some cases, the change may take a few seconds to show across different views. As a quick check, you can look back at the top of the board to confirm that the new title has been applied successfully. And that's how to rename Microsoft Planner. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to keep projects organized and easy to find. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.